display key, it's possible to park your car also when you are not in the car. Remote parking is possible with the display key from BMW. It's really easy to handle. You just park your car in front of a parking gap, take a step outside, and before this you switch off the engine. By pushing the display key, the car moves forward until it reaches a wall or something what blocks him. After you finish the parking, just switch off the engine and close the car, and you can go and finish your business. If you come back, you can do the whole process again